Hi there. Here are the 7 reasons why I think a Somali person would never be a successful international terrorist. And of course, I qualify the word success, and I equally emphasize the international in the title. Ours have been called a failed state, and indeed, collectively and individually, all our efforts have been beset by so many failures from so many fronts. Therefore, it does not surprise us that even our so-called Somali international terrorists have failed to terrorize. The latest case being that ill-advised young man from Oregon. Generally speaking, with the exception of piracy, all our undertakings have ended in an abject failure. Yes, we lack order, not to mention the patience and the planning needed to put together an international terrorist attack. Let me put it in perspective. If we Somalis could plan anything, and I mean anything, don't you think we would have by now organized our nation and ended the longest running civil war in Africa? The promise and the belief in the afterlife, which we all profess, most Somalis that I know are too worldly and at times embarrassingly materialistic. Our people all too often equate money with happiness, and naked power is somehow viewed as a success in this life. This is telling and explains why we have been so successful at piracy. Frankly, we can't keep a secret. Period. Give a Somali a mission, however deadly, and he would probably be bragging about his assignment to the first person who passes by. I'm not implying we talk too much. I'm just saying we have an oral tradition, and among us, the spoken word is highly esteemed. Needless to say, 9/11 would never have happened if any of us was involved in that terrible conspiracy. Involved in the American dream, or at least our version of that elusive dream. One man is planning to bring his second wife to America. Another person is planning to build a big house elsewhere in Africa thanks to the almighty dollar. I know of no Somali without some project or a fantastic scheme. And terrorism, being what it is, will most definitely stop these projects dead in their tracks. Tribalism. Every Somali is a member of a specific tribe. And for us, that tribal fact is everything. It is the alpha and omega of our unhappy existence. Our hate is reserved for other Somalis who belong to the opposing clans. We are so busy and so used to terrorizing each other that we can be forgiven if we lack the ambition to blow up other people. I have the funny feeling hate, like charity, begins at home. Indeed, very true. Our best and brightest are too busy chewing chat. And it's a well-known fact that you cannot chew a chat and do a proper jihad at the same time. Ilahi amarka.